I'm always looking for good, healthy laundry soap that doesn't have a lot of chemicals in it. And I came across this brand. It's Sustainables, and it's the laundry detergent sheet. So they actually look like this. They're actually just sheets. And there's several things that I like about them. First of all, if this would be like one sheet, if you had a full load, and what you do is you just put it in when you start running your water, and you just put it in the bottom of your washing machine. If it's a full load. If you had a half a load, you can see it's kind of perforated here in the middle. If a small load, you would just take it in half and just use half of it. But I really like them. It smells clean, but the main thing I like is that it actually does what it's supposed to. I feel like my clothes are clean when they actually come out. And the other thing is it doesn't have any parabens, phosphates. It is dye-free, so all of that is just chemical-free. I don't want all that stuff in my, it's going in your laundry, so then it's going to go on your skin. So I love that about it. It is, it's planet safe, no mess. I like that you don't have to measure it. All you do is just put it in, and that's the right amount. If it's like a small load, or if you have a bigger load, then I use 2 of them. It's actually nice too, like if you travel, I just take some of these, like I said, they come several of them together, and then I just put them like in a little baggie and take them with me to travel. Like if you also just needed some soap, you can put water in it and then just rinse them, keep them in my car. So they're very handy for that as well. But I've been very satisfied with them. So I just want to say thank you to the company for sending these to me to try. I've been very satisfied. And if you're looking for a good, healthy alternative to your laundry soap, I would just say give it a try and just see what you think.